President Dr. Arif Alvi and Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, in their messages on the occasion of Kashmir Solidarity Day, have urged the international community to take practical steps to hold India accountable for its gross human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif has said that the entire Pakistani nation is standing shoulder to shoulder with their Kashmiri brothers in their struggle for freedom. Shabbir Sharif was talking to a delegation of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter that called on him in Muzaffarabad today. In addition to that, activists of political parties, religious outfit garments officials, members of human rights and civil society organizations came together in processions and rallies held in all parts of the country today to express solidarity with the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan's ambassador to the United States, Masood Khan, has called for harnessing diplomacy to resolve the Kashmir issue. In an interview with the leading US magazine, he said the current state of affairs in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir is deteriorating. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has thanked the government of Pakistan as well as the people of Pakistan and Azad Kashmir for extending unwavering support to the Kashmiri struggle for right to self-determination. Illegally detained APHC chairman Masarrat Aalam, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar Jail, said the Kashmiris are highly indebted to the people of Pakistan for expressing unprecedented moral, political and diplomatic support to the Kashmir cause. APHC leader Shabbir Ahmad Shah, who is also languishing in Tihar Jail, in a message on the occasion lauded Pakistan's role for championing the cause of Kashmir. Moreover, the incarcerated Kashmiri women leader Syeda Aasiya Andrabi, while seeking peace, prosperity and economic stability for the people of Pakistan, said that a politically stable and economically strong Pakistan was guarantor to the success of Kashmir's freedom struggle. Other Hurriyat leaders, including Khadim Hussain, Sayyid Sibte Shabbir Qumi, Mohammad Salim Zargar, in their statement in Srinagar said that as a principal party to Kashmir dispute, Pakistan has always been at the forefront to support the right to self-determination of the Kashmiri people. In connection with the Kashmir Solidarity Day in the UK, an event was held in Winchester's Oldham town to express solidarity with the oppressed people of occupied Jammu and Kashmir.